SATCON was formed in the year 2004 by Mr. Satyaki Mukherjee, an electrical engineer graduated from Jadavpur University in Kolkata, India in 1989. Due to his long employment in Development Consultants Private Limited in Kolkata and later in Saudi Electricity Company, Dammam, Saudi Arabia, he developed core competence in electrical system design of thermal power plants, industrial power distribution projects in high voltage, extra high voltage substations and transmission lines. SATCON started its journey as an electrical engineering consultant. The first job awarded to SATCON was by Messrs Siemens Ltd. for preparation of electrical detail design and drawings for 6.6 kV indoor substations and interplant cabling in Tata Steel Limited, Jamshedpur, India. Since then, SATCON did not have to look back. One by one it bagged many consultancy works from Alstom, Areva, GE, Jindal Steel, KEC International, Kalpataru Power Transmission Limited, L&T, Siemens, Schneider Electric and many other reputed EPC contracting companies in India for extra high voltage, medium voltage substations, overhead lines, EBOP of thermal power plants and industrial power distribution projects up to 400 kV. Over the years, SATCON developed its in-house capability for civil and structural designs. SATCON got equipped with software to undertake electrical system studies and installed civil and structural design software for more efficient operation. By the year 2010, SATCON had enough experience and credentials to start venturing outside India. The first overseas job it received from Messrs Supreme and Company Private Limited was to design and engineer 5 numbers 132 by 33 kV outdoor substations of Niger Delta Development Commission, Nigeria. Subsequently, over the years, SATCON has executed many design and engineering projects on behalf of many EPC contractors in Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar, Oman, Nigeria, Sudan, Sierra Leone, Uganda, Rwanda, Kenya, Namibia for more than 100 numbers of 330 kV, 132 kV and 33 kV substations, overhead line and industrial power distribution projects. SATCON diversified to project management consultancy in year 2012 when it bagged control and supervision of a 132 by 33 kV substation project in Nigeria. Presently, SATCON is proud to be associated with the Ministry of Energy and EDSA in Sierra Leone to control and supervise the CLSG rural electrification work in 29 communities of Sierra Leone. SATCON is thankful to all its customers, well-wishers and friends for providing patronage and support years after years. We would dedicate our best attention to the jobs awarded on us to keep our customers happy. May God give us strength to work tirelessly for the betterment of mankind and for the future generations to come. Thank you for your time.